Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what is going to happen with my dear Aries in September 2020. Today's topic is what is going to happen with my dear Aries in September 2020. They are your cards. I'm going to read this reading. Okay, for my lovely Aries, your first card is Three of Swords, and this is in reverse position. It means that if you have some third party situation, then it is going to end over here and you are going to win their hurt, your person's hurt. And or maybe if you are not succeeding in some situation, now you are going to succeed in this situation. And this Three of Swords is upside down because there is someone, or you are in love with someone else, or someone else is in love with you, and they are proposing you in the month of September, or maybe they are coming towards you and making this friendship or this relationship more powerful, and not proposing at this moment, but they want to propose you. They have a desire to marry you, but they are coming towards you at this September, month of September, and then they are making this relationship, this friendship or relationship more closer. Okay, and there is your nightmares going to end, sleepless nights going to end, your stress, your burden is going to end over here with this situation, with that person coming to you and proposing you, and you are having the good time with that person. Your nightmares are going to end over here. If someone have the sleeping disorder, then you also have the good night sleep at this month, because your tensions are, you have no more tensions, no more home break situation, mending hurt, happy time. Okay, this is the housebroken card, and this is upside down. That means that your relationship is going to deepen. Okay, and this with this Page of Sword card, you are I think now you are, or that person is not anymore a childish person. They are more mature and they decide something. Okay, and Five of Swords, because there is no will to win something. There is a will to have something, but no will to win something. And also there is a Temperance card, and okay, with this Temperance card, you or that person have no patience in them. They don't want to wait for you, or you don't want to wait for them. You want them to tell you what they want, what they have in their mind, and you want to end this situation, or want them to say the truth. Okay, and that's why you have no patience at this moment. Okay, also I get from this card that maybe you both are not going to marry or propose each other at this month, but your relationship or friendship is going to deepen. Okay, when now with this Empress card, now you are ready to go with that person, to love that person. You already love that person. You have desire to fulfill their desires. You want to give them your happiness, your love, your everything that you have in your life. You want to share it with that person. You are turning and watching at that person to say something to you. If they want you to come back, or they want to propose you, want to say I love you, anything, you are waiting for them. You are ready for this relationship. but I don't think so that this will happen in this September. This is the month that you are going to have some clarity with that person over your relationship or your friendship, or you both are going to mend this relationship, going to mend this relationship over here with this sun card upside down. I think yes, definitely there is uh, no further further nothing in this situation, because I think someone is not want to they are not attracted to you, or you are not attracted to them. Six of swords, yes, you are not coming out of your bad time. Justice is upside down. There is no justice in this situation. Maybe you both are talking to each other, having conversation, having or maybe fighting over what are you doing, why you have done to me, why you have done this to me, or that, something like this. And with this nine of swords upside down, okay, maybe some of you don't want to have any burden on their shoulders. They don't want to commit, to get in commitment or in some married situation. Once again the sun card is upside down, then definitely you are in this month of September, you are not going to marry that person, but you are going to talk to that person, solving that problems that between you, and your relationship is going to deepen, I think, with these cards. Okay, then with the oracle cards, you deserve love. You are lovable, you deserve love. That's why this person is attracted to you, this person wants you, this one person is coming towards you, and angels are working over here uh, to get that person towards you. Okay, because you are a good person. You, maybe you are helping others, you are a light-hearted person, loving person, caring person, with this Aries card or with this Empress card. Okay, wedding, definitely this situation involves with wedding. This leads you to this conversation, these meetings lead you to wedding. This person is coming towards you for wedding. They are offering you their love, their heart, and they are telling you that if you want, you marry them, or you are telling them that, asking them. And definitely this situation leads you to wedding. Strange love, there is the card of the strange love. Okay, love is strange. Yes, maybe this person is a bit older than you, or younger than you, or maybe they are not as you are. I want to say that there is a lot of difference of beliefs, of attitudes, of thoughts. Okay, this person is maybe this person is a lot different from you, but you both are in love with each other. And love is strange because it will make two different persons marry each other. Okay, with this 2 and 7, two, lots of desire towards each other. 7, some kind of miracle, that this person is asking you to marry them. This is the miracle for you. Maybe this person had never asked you to marry them, and you are waiting for them for quite a long time, and now they are asking you, and you are very shocked that what are they saying. Is this person is that person? I want them to say this thing to me, and something like that. And with this other card, but there is this thing, faceless ghost and the haunted ghost pupils. There are some pupils with you or with that person. They are they don't want you to be each other's partnership. They don't want you to get married. Okay, you two to get married. They are not the good persons. They are whispering in your ears or their ears that this relationship is not good. You will get nothing with this relationship. Leave that person, leave that girl, something like that. Okay, but you have to decide what you want to do. That person have to decide what they want to have, and then do it. Not don't wait for anyone. Don't listen to anyone. Okay, and then do it. Okay, with this 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Miracle. This is the miracle. This relationship is the miracle for all of your relatives, or for whoever knows you. Okay, cat, a very cute situation, loving, caring, a little bit playfulness, um, naughtiness in this relationship. uh, yes, playing, naughtiness, uh, yes, yes, good relationship, I think so. Not a lot of love, but playfulness, something, jokes, funny things, and lot of good time with each other, with this son over here. And cute, this person and you both are cute persons. Yes, the two different persons with this Tom and Jerry friendship. The two different persons come together over here, and there's lot of things happening behind that cat. What is happening? Yes, uh, cloud of smoke, something, and yes, you have done a lot of things to get that person, I think so. Maybe you have a long journey to come towards that person. You have that long journey in your past. You are waiting for that person quite a long time. Yes, and now you are going to be together, going to going to marry each other. Yeah, but in this month you are going to meet each other, having a conversation, um, having get together with each other, and your relationship is going to deepen. This is all I have for you, my dear Aries. And if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my videos. You can also watch my previous videos. You will surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.